In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple background music tracks and voiceovers using Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a video, or just adding some background elements to your design, knowing how to layer in audio can really elevate the quality of your content. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your project in Canva and navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll see the option labeled Uploads. This is your starting point for adding any audio files you have on your device. If you're not sure where to find uploads, just look for that little cloud icon where you can bring in all sorts of multimedia to enhance your work. Once you've clicked on Uploads, move ahead by clicking on Upload Files. This action opens a window that lets you browse through your computer files. Here, you'll need to select the audio files you want to add to your Canva project. This could be a mix of background music tracks and voiceover files that you've recorded or sourced beforehand. Make sure these files are saved in a compatible format like MP3 to ensure a smooth upload process. After selecting your audio files, keep an eye on your internet connection. A stable connection will make this uploading process faster and more efficient. Once your files are uploaded, you should see them appearing in the Upload section, which serves as your personal repository within Canva. Next, to actually add these files to your project, head over to the Audio tab. You might wonder why we don't just drag and drop straight from Uploads. The Audio section allows you to organize and easily locate which audio files you'll be applying directly to your current design or video slides. Now comes the fun part, dragging and dropping your audio files onto the specific pages or slides you wish to enhance with sound. Simply grab the audio file from the audio menu and drag it to the bottom of the page on your workspace. Be careful here though, you don't want to click the files during this step. Clicking could disrupt the drag and drop functionality you're working within. Note that as you drag these audio files onto the timeline or slides, you can also fine-tune the length and placement of your tracks, ensuring they match the visuals exactly as you'd like. Remember, if you find the audio volume too overpowering or barely audible, you have control over this too. Just adjust the audio levels to ensure a balanced and pleasant viewing experience. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to creating dynamic and engaging projects with Canva. Experiment with different combinations of music and voiceover to see what works best for your content. And there you have it, a simple way to enhance your Canva designs with audio. Happy creating!